Today we're gonna talk about wheel spacers. Should you use them or not? You can use them when you have the following situations, but the premise is that if you choose the right high-quality spacers and install them correctly, there will be no problems. If you replace a set of aftermarket wheels and tires with the wrong offset, or a set of larger calipers with insufficient wheel clearance, wheel spacers are the easiest and most effective way to help you solve these problems. And if you want to get your wheels flush to the fender with stock wheels, spacers can also achieve this effect. Usually the thickness required for the rear wheels will be thicker than the front wheels. Wheel spacers, also known as wheel adapters, they are special components that help create extra wheel track width. They are fitted between the wheel hub assembly and the wheel itself to increase space. Every wheel gets displaced outward by a distance equal to the spacer's thickness. The safety of wheel spacers largely depends on their quality and installation. If they are of low quality, improperly fitted, or installed incorrectly, problems can arise while driving. So, the wheel spacer's installation must exactly match the wheel assemblies and rim hub holes. High quality and high precision wheel spacers installation brings you the following benefits. Aesthetics, providing a flush appearance of the vehicle. Larger tires, allowing safe use of aftermarket wheels and tires, accommodate larger tires or custom wheels. Brake clearance, clearing the clearance issues for big brake calipers. Completing wide body kits upgrades, improving the resistant ability to rollover. Changing bolt pattern and center bore. Transforming lug-centric wheels to hub-centric wheels. Choosing the right wheel spacers involves careful consideration of material quality, thickness, compatibility with your vehicle, and the benefits of features like flange plates. If you need any help with the wheel spacers selection, please leave comments and contact us. Click the subscribe button for more. See you next time.